Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q8 E-Tron Launch Edition 55 Quattro. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. Powered by a dual motor system delivering 402 brake horsepower, the Q8 offers a range of up to 330 miles, and charging is effortless with 150 kilowatt DC fast charging, enabling 10 to 80% charge in just 31 minutes. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. On all four corners, these 21-inch Audi Sport 5-arm aero structure alloy wheels finished in gloss black with gloss red brake calipers, adding a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork. Also fitted to this vehicle are the virtual door mirrors, giving you the video footage on the inside of the doors, and a charging flap on both sides for both fast chargers and slow chargers. As this is the launch edition, you also get the black pack and the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing maximum sunlight and fresh air into the cabin. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the driver's door, the key fob, or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage, or weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with the red SRS package giving you the red stitching and seatbelt edges. You also get a pull-down armrest for the rear occupants, as well as dual-zone climate control in the back. Both outer seats come with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely control up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with red stitching, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display, and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and are fully electrically adjustable with electric lumbar supports. Finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of memory to it, so that if you have multiple drivers it is even easier. Here's a closer look at the virtual door mirrors for you as well, so you can see what they look like from the inside. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right, your volume of voice controls is mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and this vehicle also comes with adaptive air suspension, so it will raise and lower itself with ease depending on what is selected. You also get the astounding 360-degree camera system, giving you multiple angles of view around the vehicle, so you never have to worry about hitting any obstacles or damaging that precious paintwork. With the dual-zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi Q8 E-Tron Launch Edition 55 Quattro, available at Stafford Audi in Glacier white. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team, or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.